Welcome to another review from Ultimate DIYer, and today we're going to take a look at this Milwaukee Fuel Brushless Impact. Okay, so first let's take a look at the construction. There is some aluminum up in here, there is some rubber, which I do like because it helps if you're bumping into things. The chuck itself is metal, and you're going to pull it forward to place your bit in and then release. The handle itself is rubber. And I kind of like it because it's a smooth rubber, which means if I get dirt, grease on it, it's going to be easy to clean and it's not going to cake up. It has a clip, so the clip will screw in from here, or you can screw it in from this side as well. Now, this one actually has speeds. So if you're looking at it, I've got speeds right here. So it clicks right in the center. It's almost hard to see. So you'll click it. So there's gear 1, gear 2, gear 3. And this is a unique one that I like. This one has a screw function in it. So if I put it over to the screw function, what that means is it will disengage the hammer function on this because it's like an impact. And it kind of bangs as it screws in. And a lot of times you can strip out your screws that way. This actually takes that away so that it works really smoothly for screws. A very good function. So this is using the M18 red lithium system, and all you're going to do is push the two little buttons, pull off the battery, and grab your new battery, slide it back into place, and you're back up into business. Okay guys, so now I could give you a lot more stats on it, but you can read all that up above. What you really want to know is, as a contractor or a DIYer, would I rebuy this tool or would I use this tool? Now, I'm going to be honest, I haven't used this tool very long. You can tell it's almost new. I've just decided to start buying some Milwaukee, and so far I'm pretty impressed with them. I'm impressed the way they feel. I do like the little extra functions, like the screw function on here. I think it's awesome. But would I buy it again? Absolutely. I'm using this one mainly around my home projects and not out in the field as much, just so that I can get used to them. And I'll probably do another update on this one later. But if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I would probably give it a 6. It's extremely well made. So do yourself a favor and get yourself a Milwaukee Impact today. Hope this helps. We will see you on the next one.